Today, Navee is doing jawline filler. So jawline filler can help just give you a more distinct jawline if you've lost it, or if you're a man, it's very popular in men to do to give them more of that chiseled look, and women to just make it a little bit more distinct, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to show you, we're using some voluma, and we'll show you how Navee does it. So it's just a couple little injection spots. And this particular filler can last up to 2 whole years, so we love that. Typically for jawline, it typically takes anywhere from 1 to perhaps even 4 syringes of filler. But we always like to start with 1, split it between the 2 sides, and then assess. So that is what we are doing today. We're doing a lot of assessing. We gotta find the bone in order to have the filler have a good anchor. So,
you okay?
Mm-hmm. So the jawline, when you do jawline filler, it actually helps to lift up the jowls. So that's a nice bonus too. You can see just how simple and fast this is, or was.